Hey everyone, welcome to TeamCodingPlaza. Today we are going to discussing about the Oracle concatenation operators. There are two types of concatenation here. Today we are going to discussing about using pipes operators. Right? Let's start the video. I'm having a table that let's start from IRC fully widgets. Hey, see, I'm having user right. So how I can able to concat the data? Like no. So a common requirement I'm going to show you. There is a first name and last name is there. So I want full name is what I have to do. I have to concat the two columns, right? Okay. For the data integrity purpose, we will divide in the database like this only, first name, last name. You may have filled so many forms in the job applications or any education institutions. First name, last name, middle name like that, right? So why we will maintain like this means sometimes we require last name alone like that. So while writing the queries, we will concatenate this. So how to concatenate, I am showing this. Okay. Let's start the video. See here. So using pipes operator, I'm going to start two types. Another concatenation function is there. Today pipes operator function. First name. See. So I'm going to give a yes that. Good. Right. So the user's full name has been concatenated. So that if, for suppose, I want to give a space in between a user, that is a requirement, right? So I have to add another one. Simply, I am adding one empty. So like this, you can add anything else. No. So and the last name, another string if you want means. So ARCTCV. No space for a required, no. So something more special I have to give. Yes. So the data I can able to convert to anything using this concatenation operators, using pipes operators, you know. No. Can use it dual of. That's for dual. See. Here. It's some setup. What's the potentially? It's for example again. So let's see. Like this one concatenation, how many columns you want, how many things you want. You can able to concat using in PLSQL same and SQL also same, anything in Oracle full-fledged concatenation using this only. And another type of concatenation operation that I will show in the next following video. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a nice day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit and like more. For more Oracle SQL, stay tuned for more tips and tricks from TeamCodingPlaza.